Alright guys, I'm back. So this is my pearl mix. I will put the recipe in the description. This is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. It takes 24 ounces of paint, but since this is a very thin paint, it probably will take less. I think there's 20 ounces there. So let's just tilt this off. There we go. Back to center. And over to this side. And the reason we paint the sides is so we can keep our design on the sides and the corners. And there it goes. I'm going to be running into problems with some of my props here. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm going to bring it down. Make sure I've got even coverage. And that I don't have too much paint on. Yeah, it's still dripping off. I want a very thin coat of pearl paint on it. So that's why I do the vertical tilts a lot. Ooh, geez, it's still coming off quite a bit. Just got my feet. And I see a little something here. And I got it off. And now I'm going to tilt it back. Can't really see what I'm doing. Okay. I hope I tilted it back enough. Let me see. Yeah, I think I did. There's a bubble. All right, here we go. So this is going to be pretty much all color art pearls. I don't know if I'm going to be putting some extra colors on or not, but I'm going to start with these, and it's going to cover quite a bit of the canvas. There is the daffodil. Here is, what's the other one? Sunflower. Whoops. Then we're going to put, this is one of my favorites, chrysocolla. I want a lot of that. Used it all up. And Northern Lights, another one I love. And I have, this is a mixture of some paints that I did an experiment with, and there's some eye candy, some TOP, and some color art in here. And I also put a dash of this, the Color Shift, and it's Aqua Flash, and I'm going to put that right down the center. And hopefully, I think this will not pearl as much, which is fine with me because I kind of wanted that. So let's start tilting off that corner. Whoa, Wilbur. Off this corner, bring it to center, bring it over. I don't want it to go, I want some negative space, so I'm taking it down this way. And back. And I don't have any more of this. Or this, darn it. Gotta tilt a lot of this paint off. Whoa. I hope this works out. It's always easier on a small tile, you know. So we're going to get some greens in here, obviously, because yellow and blue make green. And there it comes. And then back. This way. There's already pearls starting down here, so I'm almost finished tilting. Unless I have too much paint on, in which case I'll just have to keep tilting. I really wanted those light colors in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep tilting. Might have to. Whoa, bummer. Whenever you tilt off a corner or a side, you have to kind of tilt back. You might not get as many pearls in the center, but you do want to get the pearls on the side. That's to maximize your effects. Now, I'm going to torch this, get some of this off of here because I'm going to be putting my tummy in it, I'm sure. And I might play with it. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to put you on time lapse. up high enough. Hey guys, I am so happy with this. Turned out really pretty, and these are all color art pigments, pretty much. Now, this part, I wanted to I wanted to get a U in this painting. So that's my U right there for Ukraine. I don't know, it's just, it hits me that they seem to be forgotten. So things are still going on over there. And just wish I could do something to help. So that's why I'm having this live. It'll be Wednesday, August 24th. That is Ukraine's Independence Day. And I think I'm gonna have it at 7:30, but stay tuned. This painting will be in the auction. And holy cow, yellow pearls. I had no idea I would get that many yellow pearls. It almost took over. I can barely see any yellow left. But yeah, I love the effect. And it kind of goes in here. Don't drop the phone, Michelle. And this area here is kind of, it's very transparent. I love these. You can tell that there's some northern lights in there. It's got kind of like a little purple hue to it. Yellow and blue and sunflowers for Ukraine. No sunflowers in here though, sorry. And the blowouts here. I tried blowing it out with my mouth, but I couldn't reach it without destroying the painting with my boobs, so had to use a straw. We're all happy, and I love this little detail here. I didn't do too much to it, but I didn't want to do too much to it. I wanted to shine on its own. So please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please tune in Wednesday, August 24th. I think at 7:30. I'll have a live. This won't be the only painting for auction. I have many more. And yeah, I hope you guys tune in because half the proceeds will be going to Ukraine. All right, guys, that's it for me tonight. Ciao for now. I will, hope this dries well. I will post a dried result once it is dry. Ciao for now. Hey guys, this is a dried result. The sun is just coming up right now, so I can't really show you all the cool shimmering, but that's the sunburst, or oh, daffodil. That's daffodil up here, I think. Anyhow, it has a lot of bling. I'm just ready to go to bed. I've been waiting for the sun to come up so that I could show you this. So yeah, real happy with it. And this will be in the auction for Ukraine. Half proceeds are going to Ukraine. I wish I could give them all, but I'm po. Nothing wrong about being po. Anyhow, I'm very grateful for all the things I have. And gratitude is so important and so relevant in my life. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to say, yeah, I think I put this in the video. There's the U for Ukraine, and then it kind of turns into a Y. And for me, that is, why is this happening to Ukraine? So anyhow, I hope to see you at the auction, and ciao for now.